today we are going to be covering one of the biggest township project of Bhandup West by Ajmera, known as Ajmera Vihara, which is one of the most affordable township project coming in Bhandup West. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Ajmera Vihara by Ajmera located in Bhandup. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. You can see the construction work going on. Also have a look at the neighborhood. This road leads you to the main road. In this video, we are going to be talking about the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 7 acres with 2 phases, where first phase has 2 towers, ground plus 30 floors with configuration of 1 BHK and 1+1 Jodi option available. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Utkarsh Nagar, Bhandup, with Bhandup railway station at a distance of just 1.8 kilometers, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 15 minutes, and upcoming metro station at a distance of 5 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has all necessary amenities, which include swimming pool, gym, multi-purpose court, clubhouse, kids play area and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has one configuration, that is 1 BHK, where we have 2 carpet sizes. One is 379 square feet and one is 409 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site, where our sales team will help you with the complete project details. We'll also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat. We'll help you with the payment and EMI schemes, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of Ajmera Vihara by Ajmera located in Bhandup. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.